Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Henna Art by Bia. Today, I'll be sharing Eid Special Chaand Mehndi Design 2025 ideas that will make your hands look stunning and festive for this special occasion. Whether you love traditional or modern crescent moon patterns, I have some beautiful designs for you. Let's get started. Segment 1. Classic Chaand Mehndi Design. Let's start with a classic Chaand Mehndi design. This beautiful crescent moon is decorated with floral motifs, delicate vines, and fine shading, making it perfect for Eid celebrations. Segment 2. Arabic-style Chaand Mehndi. For a bold and elegant look, this Arabic-style Chaand Mehndi design is a great choice. It features bold outlines, spacious patterns, and beautiful paisleys surrounding the moon. Segment 3. Minimal Chaand Mehndi Design. If you prefer a minimal yet stylish look, try this simple Chaand Mehndi design. With elegant lines, small dots, and fine detailing, this design looks graceful and modern. Segment 4. Chaand and Star Mehndi Design. This design is inspired by the Eid moon and stars. The Chaand is beautifully surrounded by tiny stars and delicate swirls, creating a magical and festive look. Segment 5. Full Hand Chaand Mehndi Design. If you love grand and elaborate Mehndi, this full hand Chaand Mehndi design is perfect. With detailed floral work, intricate geometric shapes, and stunning moon motifs, your hands will look mesmerizing for Eid. Which Eid Special Chaand Mehndi Design 2025 was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing Mehndi tutorials. Eid Mubarak in advance. See you in the next video.